Hello, children. I am Anita Misra from Middle Wing GGPS. Today, this video will be helpful for those who don't know or still have confusion how to send file in Gmail account. For this, you have to follow these steps. So, first of all, download any JPG to PDF converter app, which will be easily available in Play Store. Then install it as usual in your mobile. This will help you to convert your file to PDF. Next, when you complete the assessment or question paper of your half-yearly exam, click the photo. After clicking the photos, go to PDF converter app, which is already you have installed. Here, select the photos of your assessment and convert it into PDF. And save as by any file name like computer exam or computer half yearly exam, anything whatever you like. Now it's a time to send in email. For this, click the icon of Gmail. In the bottom right corner is plus sign, and this is for compose mail. Here in the top right corner there are three options. First icon is for attach file. Now click this and insert file which you have saved in your phone. Type subject, computer answer sheet, or whatever you have instructed from your subject teacher. Now click on body. Here you have to mention your name, class, section, roll number and admission number. It must be correct, or else teacher will not get your exact answer sheet. Now add your subject teacher email ID in two options. Then the top right second option is to send. You can send it by this option and your file will be sent in that given email ID. Now if you want to check, you go to the sent item, click the file which you have sent. You can see your file which you have sent will be available here. If teacher might sometimes says that your file is not yet reached, you click on sent item again, open that file what you have sent. You have the option of forward button. Click the forward and you again type the email ID of that subject teacher and then send again. It takes only few seconds. Hope children, it will be very useful for your half yearly examination. Thank you dear. Thank you.